Hello, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. I'm making another gnome accessory today. For this mustache, I used some fake fur from the dollar store. Um, I decided how long I wanted it, and then it's important when you cut your fur to only use a razor and cut from the back and not through the whole strip, because then you don't get your uh, fur to lay at the ends. It's just cut blunt. So, as I said, use a razor, not scissors. And so I trimmed it how long I wanted it. And then I cut the ends at a corner angle so that it would be more of pointed at the tip of the mustache. So my strip of fur I cut in half so all my fur would be running the same direction. And then, as I said, I did the corners so it would be pointy at the tip. So now to make it posable in the shape I wanted, I just glued a pipe cleaner on the inside and wrapped it around that. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.